to another episode of Car Vibes. Of course, I am your host, Julie. This is Mandel. No, kind of pull me up with the head.
That's in the head button.
Dry.
May I get that trip next time when I say like a trip? Hot man.
Guys, you're supposed to wonder how much time Mandel to, right? Him gonna make food out for him, you know? I don't make no food out for Mandel.
Why the Baba need make food out for me?
I offered to shave you.
In my defense, I gave her the opportunity.
In his defense, in my defense, he asked me, he gave me the opportunity when there was no razors, no nothing in the house.
In my defense, I go for that. That's not my concern.
In my defense, that is supposed to be everybody's concern.
No. I gave you the opportunity. You are.
Anyways, guys.
She's supposed to get the equipment. I know me and the Baba.
He gave me the opportunity when he knew there was no razor in the house.
Me and the customer. She had the Baba. So I feel I need to get the equipment. The equipment in the car.
I had no idea that see how far the equipment is in the car.
In the downstairs.
Oh man, in the downstairs. But I didn't even know it was in the car.
I mean, me gear the other day. Must have been the car coming.
No, but when you asked me, it was long before you come and say, oh, there's one in the car. You see that?
Long before?
Yes, not before, long after. Long after you come, but there's a razor in the car. Can you tell me? See?
But me come gear the razor. Remember me did come gear the razor.
What are you talking about?
At the same razor.
At the same razor you talking about miss my face?
Yeah.
And then, that was long after. Anyways.
Besides, yeah, the Baba, you should get the razor.
I'm not going to argue with Mandel no more. See? 2 minutes worth of arguing with Mandel. Done. No, guys. Today, we stop. Today we're going to be talking about phrases or words Jamaican use when they don't want to curse. So you have a lot of phrases. Jamaicans use a lot of phrases when they do not want to curse. My father, when I was younger, I remember him used to say, bongo crab. Yeah, he used to say bongo crab. So, or crab toe. Although you know crab toe is different, but you would say bongo crab or crab toe. Or I know somebody would say, go suck your finger. You get me? I say?
Suck your finger?
Yeah, go suck your finger. Or go lick your mother. I don't know them someday.
Lick your mother?
Yeah. We probably drink my power too much Christian. But anyway, you check it. Those were the phrases I grew up with. Hey, what? It sounds too weird? No, I was my brother and I were very protected when it comes to curse words, especially.
No, I'm just not standing running. That's different.
No, I mean overall, we never went anywhere, so we never really hear curse words.
But I'm just gonna look like. Fancy words of now. So I'm just trying to look.
The fancy words then,
The fans card them the fancy words.
Alright, so let's go with 25 words and phrases Jamaicans use instead of the actual curse words. Number 1, backside. Actually, I use backside.
That's not that.
I use a back foot too. It says use when they don't want to curse. They never say when they are cursing. Don't want to curse. Back foot, yeah. Back of the foot. But Jamaicans are backside. Side of the box.
Backside. no,
back foot. Yeah. When I was living in St. Thomas, I heard back foot. You move your back foot. I've heard that phrase before.
Oh, you move your back foot.
You go so, like you kick a ball. Oh, you move backside.
Oh, yeah, what you can easily burn.
Backside? I thought it was a box and then the side of the box.
Oh, that makes sense.
I don't know. Backside, box.
What the fuck?
Isn't it so it go?
No, I gotta read this up. Clearly, those are body parts. Which part of the back foot then?
Wait, this is the back of the foot.
Okay. So, you get backside as in a box on the side.
Oh, it's probably how I pronounce it. I pronounce it as backside, not backside.
No B-A-X-X-I-D-E or 1X.
Actually, it's actually spelled backside. I don't spell the way man listening. It literally spell back, then side. Anyways. No, the sentence for it would be
Backside,
over the backside or over the back foot I go on your son.
Over the back foot, I want. So, I'm going to me at the back foot one
Yeah,
time.
back foot, no, I heard it already. So I know that's something. Another one. Tara. Tari.
Oh, it's spelled.
Alright, so it's the sentence for it. Guys, please, let me just let you know. I may be Jamaican, but when it comes to reading it,
I'm not Jamaican and not very Jamaican.
I don't know how to pronounce half.
Jamaican and even.
So the next one is what? Now make me have to tell you about your Tara. No, Tara.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Wara.
Oh, no, Wara.
Some
Tara,
people
Tara.
say Wara.
Alright, so I got that one right. Tara, guys.
Yeah, man. So now I'm telling about Tara.
The person who never yet get no pronunciation on people's song right, I got this one right.
I'm telling about your Wara.
Next one, blow. I actually use this. Blow.
Everybody must use it. Everybody must use it.
Why? So a sentence you can use this in is, I want to blow this.
Exactly.
Next one,
In space of that.
rotted. I use rotted too.
In space of that, you can put a blood on a cloth together, instead of just say that with it.
First of all, it is when you don't want to curse. You want to find a nice, what did you call it earlier? Fancy word to not curse.
Understanding what it is.
Anyways, rotted. No, I use rotted all the time. Sometimes I say, rotted, you just want to forget something.
I know some people use it as actually. Remember back in the day, teachers used to say, yo, you see that, blah, blah, blah. It's like a bad word.
Yeah, but thanks to Miss Lou, a lot of these words are cultural words.
And still can't say it in school.
Well, you can't say rotted in school? I don't remember if I actually said rotted in
Because
school.
I've seen it multiple times. Not just with each other. Hey.
I don't know, guys. What do you think? Should rotted be a word where...
Funnily enough, during school hours, I can't say it. After school hours, I come to the teacher. They get there, so we have a sort of a conversation. I tell you, don't know the things. Yeah.
I don't know. I've used rotted a couple of times. Oh, I forgot this or whatever. But is rotted a bad word?
Not for me. No.
Guys, let me know. I want
no
to know.
No word and a bad word. So, man.
I want to know. You know the song? I wanna know. Is it? Anyways, the sentence we can go with is, "No tell me that I rotted." I actually picture never mind. It's not gonna come out right. But that Mandela has saying something similar, but not in that way. So I'm thinking about it when we laugh. No. Next one, blouse and skirt. I use this often too. So, a way to use it, not one more nice in this blouse and skirt. Yeah! Be that.
I'm not gonna lie.
Be that.
You know, hear me say. Not one more, yeah. Yes, man, I say, start.
Not one more this blouse and skirt. Be this. Blouse and skirt? Sure. I used to use this often in school. Often. Like, somebody trying to say, blouse and skirt, leave me alone.
USP and me used to see. So.
That's a man do. He more want to wash with soap. But, you know, he's a respectful person towards me and family members. But, him and him friend.
Wow. Where those? We're not going to say, hey, blouse and skirt, what's up, man? No. We're not, no. But you really think some man breaking him, I'm going to do that? Blouse and skirt, what's up, man? What's up? What's this thing, man? What's this thing, right?
What you said? You think what's up, blouse and skirt? What's up, man?
That's
one. Box cover. No, this.
Yeah.
Me know say I be your ex. Cover. Box cover. No, the way how you can use it is there's something drop and broke to box cover.
Free. Yeah. I'll use that.
Okay, alright. My head hurting from all this laughing. No, my favorite one that I no longer use, surprisingly. I guess I've grew out of these stages. But kiss me neck back. When I was in the country, St. Thomas, I go to school. That was what I said sometime when I talk to my friend, them I said something. So kiss me neck back. Or, I probably just hiss my teeth, but kiss my neck back was my thing. You?
Man.
That was it. That's it.
With some colorful words.
Anyways. So, how to use kiss my neck back? Oh. But kiss my neck back. Also, should it say?
Again, but PC. PNC always correct.
Next. Warrant. Alright, so I'm not sure if this is the correct word. I'm not too confident. But the sentence is, what the warrant ya said to me. What's it? Warrant? Warrant? Alright guys, I don't know this one at all. So skipping. Next, me granny. Actually, I've been known to use this word together. So I'm gonna say, kiss me granny neck back. That's what it was me.
Kiss my granny neck.
Yeah.
Yeah, that before. We just always so stupid.
So I used to put my granny and kiss my neck back in one. So I'm like, kiss my granny neck back. What you just said? That was me. Alright? And bear in mind, when I'm saying these phrases, it's usually something that comes out spontaneously. So when persons who know me back then would say they don't know me for speaking patois at all back then. No, I'm okay with patois-ish. But back then I wasn't nowhere near into the patois class, right? So yeah, the patois class. So when I joined the patois class, or jump in and out of the class, everybody know. And then they used to laugh at me because they say it sounds funny when I say it.
You're still in the first grade.
Okay?
Yeah, but you're still in the first grade and you ever graduate primary school. Or else if you're high school, put into the college.
You're ignoring Mandela and his comments. Now, next, birdcage. Huh? What? There was such a thing. There was such a thing. There was such a thing. Birdcage.
What is the sentence?
Birdcage. Or what that? I've never heard of birdcage.
It's so unfamiliar.
It's so weird. Birdcage. I mean, I understand that they swapped it to the BC, still a BC, but still.
Man just said BC, man. Are you wake up one morning? You know them Rasta man they wake up.
This is another one I used to use. Freaking. Alright. You're too freaking live. Yeah.
Everybody is freaking.
Yeah. I haven't used this word for a guys, sometimes you put it into some weird thing. This lady, there's this island, but it's dividing the road. It comes all the way up. I don't know what they call it. The pillars, them in the middle of the road. I'm Marcus Garbage. And a woman just scaled the wall a while ago, you know? Yeah.
Barely.
Yeah, barely. But just scale the wall. She lucky, at least she go over. I could not make it.
Oh, barely scale the wall.
Just scale it, you know? I rate her. Yeah, and she's short too. And bear in mind, short people, it's hard to climb over things that are high to a height.
And they met out.
Yeah, I wouldn't have made it.
It's how high they were. I say, call me character and I know.
So it's pretty high, guys. I rate her. I could never make it.
Yeah.
No. Next Rockstone. I've never used you.
I'm not using
Oh,
that.
right. One day I use fancy word. I don't know, guys. You know what? Have you ever used Rockstone?
If me hear a fancy word more, I'm look on the person.
I guess I grew out of all of this because I hardly use. I think I probably use probably box cover at work. I'm not sure, but I hardly use any of these. I just don't curse. I'm not a person that curse. Actually. I feel guilty when I do. If I do,
I feel guilty. It's my language.
Alright, next. Rockstone. How would the bag heavy in a rockstone? Oh, actually, now that I think about it, I've heard this saying before.
Yeah. But that's not using a curse.
No, but
That's
I
more like
understand.
describing the weight of something in that case. You get me?
But they say that persons use rockstone differently.
I mean, more I mean, so you say, bitch.
Alright, next one. Rasta George. Sentence. What are the Rasta George are going in a John shop?
That's definitely a Rasta man. Cannot be about it. Cannot be about it.
Good man, drive.
Must be a Rasta man.
Must be a good man. I just saw a plane land, guys.
Fascinating. They say I'll buy a plane next year.
Bye, Mandel. Alright, next.
Keep with Julia fly out next year. Yeah, man. What's up? Put that over there. Julia fly out next year. She never fly a plane before.
Yeah, it's true. I've never been on a plane. It's true. I've never. I love the island so much that I'm grounded, rooted, roots. You're gonna have to take a pickaxe to dig up all of these roots that I got planted here.
That's why I want to play next year.
I'm just say my rooted, man.
Yes.
So all me I got go on playing with my roots.
More rain is them root of trees. I don't know.
Right. All right. What is this?
Faliti.
What is what is the name? Faliti.
Faliti.
Faliti, guys.
Faliti. Where you get Faliti?
Faliti.
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 Yeah.
Alright, the word is politi. So, now let me tell you about your faliti, you know. You sure me pronounce this right? This not sound like a Jamaican word.
Yo, bro, what the hell is this?
Alright, next one. Blurt not. This is a word.
Yeah, what a blurt not to the youth.
What is it? Oh, what the blurt not? You never know what to say.
I get replaced after DC.
Alright, next. What's it not? No, me know this. Me say what's it not? Yeah, what's it not?
I know they're talking about a cover, right?
What not?
Actually, exactly.
What's it not? Yeah, what not?
They're talking about a cover, guys.
Some people that put on cloth on it. What's it not cloth? Wait, what's it not cloth?
Oh, a cover reaching. The bad word schemes are right.
Alright, so the sentence for this, which I've heard a couple of times, not by my parents, of course, but other people. But go play with your what's it not, Poopa. I've heard this sentence before.
Remember as a baby. Sure, we just stop with that.
No, sir. Actually, I've heard that sentence before. Was somebody there? I think I was at a cousin's house or something. But me here, she said it to her pitney already. And this is me. That funny, you know? Okay, next. Cock a fart.
Yeah, man, you cock a fart.
Next. Don't make me lick you in your cock a fart. No, for sure. I've heard that one before. I've never used it, but I've heard that one before.
I just all the way, just sitting and just cock up on them. Like, cock a fart. What you tell me say? I literally with them here like, cock a fart for real? Alright.
Dying trial.
Yeah, you see me dying trial? Look where the boy go do.
I've never heard this one. But the sentence for it is,
that
but
mine.
you never see me die in trial.
Exactly. That am my mother favorite thing to this day. Me never yet one day talk to my mother. And never. I mean even in person. Me never talk to her in person. I hear me die in trial. If something ever happen, me die in trial. Really? Every time. Trust me, me never forget that.
What is this? Alright, so I don't know, man, I don't know. But it says, I think it's Kirk out. So, Kirk out from your son.
Back up,
Yeah, man.
back up. Which part is a Kirk out this?
And what's it out? A cock out? Kick out? No, it can't be kick.
So how if you be Kirk if you can't make it?
Kirk.
You see one next kid there?
It no matter. The R can be that way. Kirk.
Curled.
Kirk.
Curled. More than like that, curled. You get me?
Curled?
You can't be Kirk out because there's no other C after the R than a K after the R.
I thought so we are talking about. This is boy and boy double pronounce.
Of course the double pronounce.
Boy?
B-W-O-Y.
But boy is boy.
No. B-O-Y, boy. B-W, get the B-W effect, bro. And then the O-Y, boy. You get me? I said, no.
Alright, next one, Amzos. Oh, actually, I don't know the next one. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce.
Come on.
My phonics now work with me. I don't know, Kuya. Oh yeah, it's Kuya.
Kuya, I said it in pizza.
But Kuya too, no man.
Kuya use it everything.
Yeah, Kuya. I don't really use Kuya.
I mean, Kuya mix with everybody.
Next, arms, O's. Actually, my mother is famous between me and my brother. Fees are right here. She will just come in and she would tidy up the house and she would go in, and when me and my brother fight, the house turn upside down. So when she come back, she say, "Oh, what the arms also go on?" Yeah. Or if she cuss somebody and she must say something about like, "Feel worried them arms out," you know? I don't know something. So yeah, another sentence that she would use it in is, "I bear arms out."
Beer.
I bear arms out, una keep up, you know. Yeah. So yeah, that's a sentence that is actually used. Alright, now this is something that I used to use. Blinking, blasted. I think I passed all of the fantasies of cursing. Fantasies of cursing.
It's not fantasy because the way with that.
Again, when I do it, I don't feel so right.
You mix them there with all kind of colorful.
Alright, so Mandela is different. I feel guilty when I curse. I don't feel so good inside.
That's the way I have two cats. And I have colorful language for them.
Not me. I just yell and take my little whip and whip them if they're disobeying.
Animal abuse.
It's not no animal abuse. Is it that I spray them constantly with water, and that is not good because I will never get them to bathe again. I don't want to be traumatizing them with water.
Yeah, they'll bury that.
Very traumatized from day one.
Alright. That it still have to be it. No,
Oh my god. Alright, next one, blinking blasted. You get palm me blinking blasted nerves sometimes.
Blasted nerves. Where are pan?
Next,
Where are pan?
cloth.
Where hold on, back up with what you're pointing at?
Cloth.
No, me not move on. Where you pointing pan?
The sentence.
Where you pointing pan?
No, make me focus cloth in here today.
Pull over.
What you say? What you want? No, pull over.
Where you pointing pan a while ago?
Eh?
You pointing pan a while ago?
Man, that's the point for you.
You said blinking and blasting.
No, I said nice sentence and I go like this.
Pull over and fist it out. Fist it out. Yes, we gotta jump behavior.
Next. Post joke. Said this all the time in high school.
Still say.
The food nice, no push joke.
No, I'm not saying that. I say it like that. Just a push joke.
Oh my god! For sure, guys. This is the spot there. I've never used the food nice, the push joke, but I would say push joke. What did I have one test today? That was me in high school. No. Last and not certainly most not least, Penny.
You're lucky enough, Penny. You see that a little you.
The one you say,
Snap, you
me
say
lick
Penny.
your Penny. Yeah, the one you say, me lick you, my Penny. Your Penny.
Alright, you lick your Penny. You lick your say Blinky. Snap, you say Blinky.
So these were 25 Jamaicans, fancy words from Mandel, that they use instead when they don't want to curse. Now, if you've heard Jamaicans cursing, we're actually very famous. We have our very own set of curse words. Why? I do not know.
What do you mean?
But we are so unique that we have our own type of curse words. And
we have to stand out as Jamaicans.
to alter, to assist those who feel guilty about cursing. And for those Christians who know that cursing is wrong, but you need something else to help, get off your chest, you can use these fancy, colorful words.
What is wrong with our own language and vernacular? What is wrong with it? What is wrong with our own
I never said anything. I just
Exactly.
saying that you don't want to curse, you use something that is more appropriate. Because if you, let's say that you jam your toe, bus joke, or rotted, blows on skirt, blow wow. You can say all those lovely stuff.
Blow out, that is.
Anyways, or when I was younger, I never knew that the saying was blow wow. I used to say blow hole. So that's what I used to say until I realized it was blow wow. No, what is on your mind? As a child, I was saying something that I never hear. Drive past the damn nasty things then.
Ah, crap.
Anyways, you never hear about what's your name? The past crab circle. Ear circle.
What have you doing me?
Okay. Anyways.
Me was a crab name pieces. What have you doing me? Me just buy my crab. Yeah, if I see me got a crab circle.
Oh, but you can't trust vendors.
That from a long time.
Then what you about crab.
You know buy from vendors.
Which vendor you some buy from?
You know when you go downtown, a vendors you buy from.
I don't buy cooked food from them. I don't.
Yes.
I mean, the last time I remember buying something from a vendor would be
Soup man.
yeah.
Okay.
Anyways, guys, I said the last time, and that was like 2 years ago.
You still buy. If you got a soup man place, you still gonna buy food.
No, actually, I wouldn't. You see, guess what happened, guys? I got a running belly after one day, meaning that there was some contamination going on, and that was it. No more soup man for me. Now, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you were able to come up with your own sentences for or fancy. Please ignore the wannabe cartel beside me. No. No. As I was saying, thank you all for tuning in. See you next time.